Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Chetal and today we are here at Brigade Eternia, which is located in Yelahanka New Town in North Bangalore, a project developed by Brigade Group. And today we'll be doing the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builder. Because in Housey the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So as you can check out, we are here on the actual land parcel. So this is the marketing office of Brigade Eternia. And about the land parcel where the construction work is going on is just behind this marketing office. Now let's discuss about this project. So basically this project has been constructed on total 14 acres of land parcel with total 12 towers, having 2 basement ground plus 13 and 14 floors, with spacious 3 and 4 BHK with expensive deck. Now let's talk about the location part, and this project is located on National Highway 44 in New Yelahanka town in North Bangalore. And now let me show you that basically this is the National Highway 44 and this road will connect you towards New Yelahanka main road, and the opposite side road will connect you towards Yelahanka main road. And now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to RMZ Galleria Mall in just 2 minutes. Manyata Tech Park is just 15 minutes away from the project. International Airport and Hebbal is 20 minutes from the location of the project. Now about the amenities part, and this project provides you world-class amenities like of this is the grand clubhouse with swimming pool, all the indoor games with party lawn, and the outdoor amenities like of here's the amphitheater, kids play area, garden area, basketball court, and many more. Now coming to the super built up area, and as mentioned, this project provides you 3 BHK and 4 BHK with 3.5 and 4.5 BHK premium residencies. So 3 BHK here starts from 1620 to 1700 square feet, 3 BHK from 1820 to 2000 square feet, 3.5 starting from 2100 to 2250 square feet, and 4.5 BHK starting from 2700 to 2950 square feet super built up area. And now let's discuss the booking process. So our project booking window is open now, where we are inviting our clients to come and visit the site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme, and we'll show you the model flat as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of the residential project Brigade Eternia, which is located in Yelahanka, Bangalore, a project developed by Brigade Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.